we know that you love cars, and that's the reason why you might want to buy some products of ours. And if you buy them, you might want to know how they even look like. So that's why we're doing this unboxing today. And this is how the box looks like, and we're gonna open it now. In the first place, there's this logo, Panthera tuning with passion, premium quality, made in Germany. On the side, power like a tiger, some informations you might need in the future, and our address if you want to join us for a coffee. On the other side, we have sprint like a cheetah and roar like a lion is our startup line, and that's why we're gonna open the box now. And wow, there's a wonderful thing called PANTHERA Pardus Power Pedal. We are gonna put it on the side, so you have to wait for it. You can just put the foam away and open it with the start button. And we have a couple things here you might want to know. We have, first of all, we have the Panthera Connection app. That's something you need for your product. On the backside of the product, you have a QR code, and this is what you need to scan with the app when you download it. Go to the app, scan this code, and then you have everything you need about this product on your phone. And in the box, you have a sticker and an air freshener, so your car always smells perfect. Then we have a couple cables in here. That's the cable you need to connect your cars. And be careful about that, because I'm gonna give you some instructions with it. But first, there's a flyer of our company that you want to look into, because if you buy one of our products, you might want to know what other products there are, because you're definitely going to like them. So there's a flyer that we're going to put inside the box where all our products are listed in, and you might want to check it. Maybe you like a couple of them. And at the end, you have two different types of instructions. If you didn't understand how the app works, there's an app instruction. And if you don't know how the Pardus power pedal works, there are two instructions you can look into. And if you still don't understand it, just give us a call or write an email. We're definitely going to help you. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to this channel, because there's coming a bit more this type of videos on this channel, and you need to watch them. And write down into the comments what experience you had when you had your first unboxing. And now, have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.